So I recently picked up a refurbished Apple MacBook Air. After a couple questionable reviews, I picked it up anyway, and I want to show you exactly how it comes. Do know that when it comes to refurbished or pre-owned items, things like that, every single item is going to come differently. So your item is not going to come exactly like this, but you can get an idea of how a package that is refurbished or pre-owned is going to come to you if you are getting an Apple MacBook Air. This is a restored Apple 13.3-inch MacBook Air. It is an Intel Core i5. It's in the color silver with 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. It's a mid-2017 refurbished model. So for me, for my item, this came with just a charger and just the computer. Wrapped in this nice bubble wrap. The box is secure enough that these two actually fit kind of snug in the box, so nothing was moving around. I really like that. As far as I can tell, just by doing this kind of lightly, the transit or the shipping of it, I believe that it went well. So let's check it out. On taking it out, it's very nice. It's nice and sleek, not too heavy at all, but I do see that at the edge, it is a little bent, okay? So with refurbished or pre-owned items, it may say like new, but it's like new, okay? You may have an experience where you get some that have a little minor damage like this one. I'm fine with this. I can hopefully get a cover or something, but I'm fine with it as long as it works. As you see, a nice basic black keyboard. This is the mid-2017 model. It does not have, I don't believe it has the touchscreen right here. Oh, this is the power button. I held it down. And we have some success, okay? As long as it's not the dreaded screen, okay, we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. This is what it looks like all set up from the home screen. Nice, basic, and it actually works. Everything works, the pad, all that. For me, it does. So if you are looking to purchase something that's refurbished, this is a video that can help you make that decision. I am pleased with my choice and I really like it.